What if I told you that artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a force so powerful that it's changing the way we think, govern, and exist? Whether you realize it or not, AI is already a part of your life. It's in your smartphone, recommending songs, predicting weather, even shaping the news you see. But that's just scratching the surface. Imagine a world where AI creates cures for diseases, transforms education, and even changes how nations interact. Now imagine a world where AI disrupts jobs, exacerbates inequalities, and governs decisions beyond human comprehension. Both possibilities are real, and the future of our civilization depends on what we choose to do next. Today, we're diving into the age of AI and Our Human Future by Henry Kissinger, Eric Schmidt, and Daniel Huttenlocher. It's a fascinating book that tackles the challenges and opportunities AI presents, and how it could redefine the very nature of humanity. Curious? Stick with me as we unravel these ideas with real-world examples, stunning insights, and some big questions about the future we're all heading into. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. To understand why AI is such a big deal, we need to rewind and take a brief look at human history. In the age of AI, the authors explain how every transformative technology, from the printing press to electricity, reshaped human societies. But here's the twist: AI is not just another tool. It's different. It's not merely helping us make decisions. It's beginning to think, learn, and act in ways that could redefine the essence of human knowledge and power. Intrigued yet? The authors kick off the book by arguing that AI represents a force as transformative as the Enlightenment. Why? Because it's altering three fundamental pillars of our world: knowledge, power, and ethics. Let's break this down. First, knowledge. Throughout history, humans relied on their senses, reason, and experience to understand the world. AI changes that entirely. Machine learning models don't think like us. They analyze data at unimaginable scales, identify patterns, and often provide insights that humans would never even consider. Remember when AlphaFold defeated the world's best Go player? That wasn't just a win in a board game. It was a moment where a machine demonstrated capabilities that not even its creators fully understood. The authors call this a new epistemology. AI creates knowledge that's beyond human grasp. Exciting? Yes. Scary? Absolutely. Take AlphaFold, for instance, the AI that solved one of biology's biggest puzzles, predicting protein structures. This breakthrough can revolutionize drug discovery and disease treatment. Just imagine the ripple effects across healthcare. Now, on to power. AI is reshaping geopolitics. Think about autonomous weapons, cyber warfare, and surveillance tools. Governments and corporations are in a fierce race to dominate AI innovation, because it's not just about who has the biggest army anymore. It's about who controls the smartest algorithms. The authors dive deep into how this competition, especially between the US and China, is shaping the global balance of power. AI is the new battleground. For example, China's use of facial recognition AI for mass surveillance shows both its potential and its perils. While it's framed as maintaining public order, it also raises concerns about privacy and human rights. But here's the danger. Without collaboration, AI could exacerbate global instability. Imagine a world where AI makes split-second decisions in warfare, or governments use it unchecked for mass surveillance. The stakes couldn't be higher. Finally, the ethical dimension. How do we ensure AI aligns with human values? One of the most thought-provoking sections of the book highlights how AI can inherit biases from the data it's trained on. If we're not careful, we could create systems that reinforce inequality rather than solving it. A striking real-world case is AI used in hiring systems. Did you know some recruitment AIs have shown bias against women due to historical data biases? Yet, on the flip side, AI is being used to detect cancer earlier than human doctors in some cases. It's a stark contrast, full of risks and opportunities. Or consider education. Personalized learning platforms powered by AI are revolutionizing classrooms, especially in under-resourced communities. This is a glimpse of how AI can truly uplift humanity if guided correctly. Here's where it gets deep. The age of AI doesn't just focus on technical or political issues. It ventures into the realm of philosophy. Kissinger, a historian and political thinker, raises profound questions. What happens to human thinking when machines generate knowledge we can't fully comprehend? One fascinating idea is that AI challenges the Enlightenment idea of rationality. For centuries, humans believed they could understand the universe through reason and observation. But now, we're creating systems that don't think like us. Does that mean we're no longer the smartest entities on the planet? What does this mean for our sense of identity? Let that sink in for a moment. Take AI models like ChatGPT that generate human-like text. When machines can write poems, articles, or even code, we are forced to rethink what makes creativity uniquely human. Are we collaborating with AI, or is it outpacing us? So, what do the authors propose? They argue that humanity must redefine its partnership with AI. Instead of fearing it or seeing it purely as a competitor, we need to integrate AI responsibly into society. And this requires a balanced approach. Regulation to prevent misuse. Ethical design to ensure AI aligns with human values. And global collaboration to avoid catastrophic arms races. It's no small task, but as the authors emphasize, the future of humanity may depend on how well we rise to this challenge. Now, let's end on a hopeful note. While the book raises many alarms, it also celebrates AI's potential to solve some of humanity's biggest problems. Imagine curing diseases faster than ever, personalizing education for every student, or fighting climate change with AI-optimized solutions. AI-powered systems are being used to predict weather patterns and optimize renewable energy production. These tools could be game changers in combating climate change. In medicine, robotic surgeons powered by AI are achieving precision levels unimaginable a decade ago. The possibilities are endless when we harness AI's potential ethically and wisely. So, that's a wrap on the age of AI and a human future. It's not just a book, it's a wake-up call. A reminder that the choices we make today will shape not only our future, but the future of generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest takeaway from AI's rise? Until next time, stay curious and stay informed. What if I told you that